Looking forward to one of our favorite rides,
Yeah.
Flight of Passage.
Oh my gosh, I remember getting off of this ride for the first time. My jaw literally just dropped. I was like, this is the best
We were
ride
so hyped
ever.
up.
Which is weird because I didn't have that feeling at Rides of the Resistance.
That's just as good as I remember. How'd your motion sickness handle that?
I took Gemini before because
Yeah.
otherwise if I had it,
You wouldn't be able to. What'd you think?
I liked it.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, I like
It's
it.
like a sensory overload.
It's better than Star Tours. Yeah, there's all much.
It's like Star Tours and Soarin' all in one. But then you get all like the smells and
I know, I really like it. I like a little bit. Because it's got like
yeah. Oh, I love that ride. I think it's still like one of my favorites. Easy. I'll have to do that again later.
Yeah.
Would you go on it again?
Yeah, I think I can do it again. We'll give you a break.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go look at animals now.
Going to be your safari guide. We're going to be taking a journey through the Harambe Wildlife Preserve. Throughout our safari, I'm going to ask that you all remain fully seated for the entire ride with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
Ready for this one?
I am.
This one's fun.
Remember I almost said I gone this last time?
Alright, here we go. You ready? You ready? Well, it's pretty steep. There's some pretty intense parts on that.
It felt more intense this time.
Yeah, a little bit. Sorry, Christina. I feel like it was a bit more intense than I remember.
Yeah, no, that felt more intense than the other times I've gone on. I felt that more.
Whew.
a little pick-me-up.
Yeah, a little coffee over here down by, where are we? I don't know where we are, but we're down by the river and...
Yeah, we've been watching the cavalcades like just go through. We gotta go see another cavalcade.
So that's been the nice thing about being here at Animal Kingdom is you can just kind of chill, make your plans as you go. You don't have to stick to itineraries or anything. Wait times have been pretty manageable.
Yeah.
I mean, the Expedition Everest has just been walk right on.
Yeah, it was when we first went it was like 15 minutes, then the second time around it was 25, which normally that I feel like is over an hour. I feel like it's normally a long wait, I feel like.
Yeah.
The ones that are longer are going to be the ones in Pandora Land. But even then, like right now,
Pandora World of Avatar or something
whatever.
like that. I don't know.
At least I'm not like Avatar Land. Those are about 40 minutes.
We're gonna go back to Pandora later when it's dark, so you can see all the bioluminescence and the glows and all the noises and different creatures that come out at night. So, but obviously those are the two most popular rides here. So.
Yeah, so those are gonna have longer wait times. Everything else, well, we wanted to go on Dinosaur, but
we still have to do we have to do Dinosaur, we have to do Navi River Journey, then we have to do Bugs Life. I know a lot of people hate that one, but
it reminds me of Disney, like in California. Because we used to always go on that.
Yeah.
Dinosaur for me though, I really am looking forward to that because that's like my Indiana Jones. Since they don't have Indiana Jones here in Florida.
Yeah, it's like the same kind of ride.
Yeah,
but just
and that Indiana
theme.
Jones was one of my favorite rides in California.
Yeah. But for now, let's finish up the coffee and then we'll probably go to do Bugs Life, I think. Yeah. Bugs Life or
another
we'll figure it
coming.
out. We're just gonna figure it out.
Let's go see what else is coming.
Elephants?
Let's see what else. Oh, here we go. Here's a couple more.
There's shoot, I forget the name of that thing. Alright, time for everybody's favorite ride at Disney World.
I used to be so scared of this.
Why?
Like when the spiders come down. When I was little, I like grabbed my mom and I like held on to her. I was like, Now, oh, look, you know how like West Side Story? West Side Story.
Front center, stupid.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to Stuff to Be Outdoor.
That's the best part about this park is everywhere you look, everywhere you stop, there's a beautiful sight to see.
Oh, it's beautiful here. And then I like, it's like you go, there's all these different little areas at this park. So like you feel like you're, I don't even know. Oh, something's coming.
The Santa again?
Oh, I don't know.
I think so, yeah, it is.
But
yeah, I think for now we're going to head over and do Everest
for the third time
today. And right now, they're not doing parades, but they have these little, instead of cavalcades like they do at Magic Kingdom in Hollywood Studios, they have these boats. And this one looks like Santa.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh, ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, once again. Wow, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas.
There's a little spot that we were drinking at, our coffee at earlier.
Oh, is that
Drink
where
Walla.
it is?
So it's right there back behind the Drink Walla hut.
Oh, yeah. That was such a nice spot. It was,
It was great. It's nice and quiet back there. And it's right there on the water, so you get to see all these floats going by.
Yeah, we just hung out there for a while. enjoying our coffee
Yeah.
and watching these cavalcades go through.
So now you guys know our secret spot, even though it's not that secret, and it's right there.
Yeah, it's nice and quiet, relaxing. It's a good way to just, sit on your, sit down, rest your feet, unwind.
Take your mask off for a little
Yes,
bit.
breathe a little bit.
Because there was like maybe a couple people around
Yeah,
us.
I
So like
know.
far away. The anticipation.
I feel like
They're holding us now.
why?
Jeez.
Here we go. Oh no!
Here we go.
We made it.
I think.
We escaped the Yeti.
Yeti again. Tree's looking pretty nice right now.
Oh, I didn't even.
You guys see all the birds out here enjoying
I
it?
know. I didn't
It's
know.
a tree of life, of course.
Aw.
Well rested now.
Good right now.
Yeah. So what do you guys want to do first? You want to do dinosaur or head over to Navi River? If we do dinosaur first, and then Navi River once it starts getting lit up over there.
Oh yeah. Let's do that.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds. Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? Start late in the sauna.
What'd you think?
I like it. I know.
cool, different.
I feel like it was better. Relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to look at.
I feel like it was better than last time.
I'm glad that shaman is still working too.
I know.
I love looking up at this. You guys hungry?
Yeah, let's eat now.
There's a Philly canteen. Let's go grab our food. Alright, so we got the cheeseburger bao buns with some vegetable chips. I got an IPA. You got the Moonwalk or something sangria. And then
It's
we
like
got
a white sangria.
yeah, we got the chicken bowl with rice and beans, and then we got some slaw on there, and then the charred green onion vinaigrette.
Sounds good.
Oh yeah.
Let's eat.
All right, so I think plan is they're gonna go off, go get some Dole Whips, and then I'm gonna hang back, get some pictures,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna head out.
You want me to
Probably hit the
get you
stores
that
on the way
one?
out.
Do you want to do it?
I mean, if you end up getting the one with rum, I'm not gonna say no to it.
All right. I'm getting dessert.
You got? Did you get the
Yeah, it's
Malibu Dole Whip?
it's coconut rum. Dole Whip. I need help with that.
Oh, I'll help you. Don't
Okay.
worry.
It's good. Well, so far I've only tasted Dole
Yeah.
Whip. But it's good. I love Dole Whip.
So I guess we're gonna go hit some shops and then
Yeah.
make
They're
our way
about to
back.
close, so yeah, we need to go.
Yeah. And then our last day is Disney tomorrow.
Yes. Cool. Magic Kingdom again. I'm excited for
End
it.
it with a bang.
Yes.
Alright. Well, thank you guys for coming along. We'll see you in the next one.
Yes. Like, subscribe, follow us for more.
Do all the things that YouTubers ask you to do.
I know. You know what to do.